What is going on, everyone? Back at the scene of the crime. Last time I was out here, I was on the Re-Aspire bike. That bike failed on this trail, and so this time I'm on my Free Sky. Let's hope for better results this time. The goal today is to hopefully show you through Chinatown. That's kind of where I want to go. But a little hidden secret, if you go to the beach in San Francisco, Breaker Beach, parking's free. And then if you have a bike, you can just take it wherever you want. So there's the Golden Gate behind me. I'm out on my Free Sky. Got Mr. Calvin Brodus. I almost want to say he's not guest appearing anymore. I think he's just my official sidekick. He's on the in the Schwinn. Got the Bafang motor here. Kind of give you a full tour of the bike since I got some time. I haven't done that really yet. I'm right around 200 miles on this bike. And it has performed flawlessly. I haven't had a single issue with it yet. And I say yet only because my last bike failed on me, so I'm a little suspicious. It's not Free Sky's fault. Again, this is a fat tire bike I got from Amazon. It was less than $2,000. So far, my opinion out of it is, if you're gonna get a fat tire bike, you're gonna make a mistake if, you know, unless you're gonna get a $5,000 bike or something crazy. Get it from Amazon and get this exact bike. It's got the Bafang motor, 1,000 watt Bafang motor. It is quick. Got tons of power, full suspension. The suspension works really well. I mean, you just don't feel a thing. I've taken this in LA on the beach, in Los Angeles. I'm about to take it on the beach in San Francisco right now. Taking it to the snow, Bernie Falls, one of the most beautiful places on earth. Place that I didn't know about. One of the things I keep emphasizing about having one of these bikes is it really kind of motivates you to get outdoors and do things you've never done before. I live in Sacramento, California, and kind of used to think that getting out of San Francisco or Sacramento and going places was a long ways away. Woke up this morning and I was like, that was not so bad. Back to the bike. It's got this really good display. Can't really see it, I don't think. 30 amp controller. It's got the Shimano gear shifts. Again, full suspension. This is the Swift Horse. This is the most powerful of their bikes, to the best of my knowledge. The brakes are starting to squeak on me, to be perfectly honest, but I think that's just from riding it in the dirt. So they probably just need to be cleaned more than anything else. All right. Well, that's the last video before we take you on a tour of San Francisco. Well, I'll show you around real quick. I'll be right back, Calvin. So where I'm at right now used to be where they prepared for San Francisco if it ever went to war during World War I believe. They launched their cannons from here. So this was all set up for the military, as a military base. It's one of the lookouts. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. Calvin, ready to rock and roll? You guys are playing drinking games at home. Let's rock and roll.